Hi developers, welcome to TA-versity. Today I'm going to present you with extensive concepts course of HTML and CSS. This course will not be a generic tutorial type course where you can't learn the concepts better, and at the end you don't know about certain elements, like how is it working, why this element is behaving like that, and many more questions. But this course is planned to move from theory to practical real-life projects, but this will depend on the feedback of you people. We will do JavaScript after this one, from beginner to advanced, TypeScript, React.js, and to landing your first job as a front-end developer. I know this is a bold statement, but it is possible if you fully follow the process and develop your JavaScript skills. But for now, what are we going to do? You can see all the topics we are going to learn, but we will start from making our first HTML file today, completing our first task. Now go ahead and make your HTML file. If you don't know how to make one, don't worry, I will show you. So, that's your first step to becoming a web developer. In the next video we will further talk about HTML. Now if you have any questions, just write down in the comments. If you want to contact me, message me on Facebook, given in the description. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.